say I'm calling school hanum. They are over 5,000, but we have less than 40 resident staff members here. Inti Emma control of the students, you know, are very challenging for us. Inti Otumfuo Besra in 2022, no, or catch say, Bibi a pese or yama ebia enka mind that opportunity. Inti kai tibo mun say staff accommodation is the most needed and the most, how do I put it? Adia ebeboa pa nti my architectural drawings in my name. So upon several deliberations and consultation, there ababe dream ti ye pese ye da His Royal Majesty Otumfuo the second Ghana Gas, our main financiers, and then Otumfuo Education Foundation. Ye da almost papa wo Sam Opemsuo or dear dream.
Yes, I do. Na Otumfuo Foundation. Yene Ghana Gas almost asini. Eba be shame say any contractor our living grace Mr. Adams. Eba be shame say any asofupon eba be shame was St. Louis say any school in Penifo yina. Eba dey asobebo form. Eba be shedwumedi na say. Eba be say staff bungalow 2 bedrooms and 9. I'm a staff for most in Louisiana. Send ye moti and a pen and say staff for once in a motor soon to be brainy baby. Ain't a bassa, a babua, I'm a staff in being a baby at Nano Motimenso, and ya daji, and near whom it's etimi actually am a friend what ye. Ain't ye banana a suburb from I first staff bungalow, living grace, and a Ghana Gas, and Otumfuo Foundation. Yakabumu yeba ababisi ama St. Louis Senior High School.
Ghana Gas, your CEO Dr. Benasante Eyobia, Nenije Sports, Health and Sanitation, and water, the preservation of the water bodies, and education. And the muhu ya was St. Louis Senior High. Na say babe groundbreaking for 4 units, 2 bedroom teachers bungalow. Na education na ye niji hunti ena ema ye boa ewo Ghana ema mu ha. Na say make us an ye can say ye gas na ye nya no. Ye de ma electricity Ghana for electricity there. Then we have to give back to the society. Into a donation na ye come bia ye community so mu hia mo ano na ya boa wo mo. Nti na mu hu ye ewa aha ene.